Using your smartphone, you can do it in just 3 simple steps. Using the various payment choices like PayPal, Payoneer, or Skrill, and a plethora of other options, you'll be able to earn money and cash out money again and again. You don't need any special knowledge or experience to implement this method. This is also available all over the world because the software we'll be using in this video is completely free. There's no need to put any money into it at all. If you stay with the video and pay attention till the end, I'll be giving you bonus suggestions throughout the video that will help you earn double or even triple that amount if you pay close attention and follow everything. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal Cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal Cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal Cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to generate money online by downloading several apps. Big Time Cash is the first program that I recommend you download. You may go to this app by visiting their website, wintergames.com. It's their website. You can also get it through the App Store or the Google Play Store. As a result, the first thing you will do in this app is to play. You can choose from a wide range of popular games and win a lot of money by collecting a lot of tickets. You'll also have a chance to earn more money after the time has passed by participating in the draw. It appears like this is if you go to the Play Store or the app's logo. You'll also be able to see how many people are already using the app. When you're on the Play Store or the App Store, make sure you're downloading the proper app. If you scroll down, you'll see the list of various reviews that have been posted about this software by different people. You can see that a lot of people have given this app a high rating. You may read these reviews to see if the software is trustworthy and authentic. You can also turn these tickets into cash once you finish playing. Read the specifics on their website and even here on the Play Store if you want to learn more about this app. You may also see some examples of the games that this software has to offer, right? This is a bonus tip for you on this app and in choosing a game. Make sure to focus on a game or a few games that pay well so that you don't waste your time playing games that don't pay well, but pay less in the name of the game. And I would suggest you to focus on is Galactic Gateways. This is the name of the game I would like you to focus on. I would suggest you to really focus on it, because if you focus on this game or just one game, they'll be giving you way more tickets, and that would mean more money. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. Now it's time for us to move on to the next step that we have for this video. The second one is called Pogo, and you may learn about it by visiting pogo.com. You can see here that you may register for free as soon as you arrive on their website, and I'll teach you how to do so in a few minutes. It will be a breeze. As a result, make sure you're paying attention to what's going on. When you browse the website, you'll notice that there are additional games in a variety of categories to choose from as well. You can see the numerous categories of games that you can earn money from by clicking on games in the upper left corner of this website, taken from their site. I prefer you to concentrate solely on the poker and solitaire. There are two most popular games on this site, because that's where you're gonna make the most money. Make sure you focus on both of them. Because it's one of my favorites, I'm gonna show you one of these games. If you go to the games page, you can see screenshots of how the game appears and get more information on how to play it by clicking on it. So just go over it and learn more about the game, so it would be easy for you to play it. It's also important that you know the game well so that you'll win these games, because the more games you win, it means the more money you'll be earning. Don't worry though, because even if you lose the game, you'll still be able to earn money. Mind-blowing, right? All you have to do now is click the play button. If you've read all of the game's details and are ready to play it, if you click on that button, you'll be taken to a website where you can start playing. There will be ads first though. As a result, before you begin the game, make sure you wait for the adverts to end. What's also nice about this is that you can do it on your mobile phone or on your computer. So wherever you are, you can just grab your phone or open your laptop and just play the games from this website. Here's an extra tip for the website. You can go over it here, and you can join the challenge so that you can earn more extra money from this site. Simply go to this page, select Pegasus Constellation, and then click on the Jobs tabs above. All you have to do is, for the 30 days of the challenge, log in and play games. Every time you log in, we'll keep track of your progress. You'll then be able to earn bonus points, which will allow you to spend more money. Puggy points are the name given to the site's points. As a result, the more you have, the more you can convert into cash. There are tiers that you can attain on this website. For each tier, you'll be able to earn more Peggy points. In order to reach these goals, make sure to log in every day and continue to play the games on this website. There are a lot of different challenges here, as you can see. And if you want to obtain more points, you can simply join them all. You should focus on the solitaire and poker games first though, because they will bring you the most money if you concentrate on them first. If you want to sign up for this, simply click on the register button here and you'll be taken to a page where you may do so. After that, simply fill in all the info they're searching for, as your country of birth, and make sure to check this box, and then you can start playing games and earn money once you've finished registration. It is possible to earn money on this site. You can simply go to this website and click on Register Free today. To be able to sign up, you can use this page to enter your username and password, as well as any other info that is requested. When you finish, simply choose I'm not a robot, accept the terms and conditions, and complete the registration process. As soon as you've completed the sign-up process, you'll discover that the site offers a wide range of games to choose from. Every game you play here can earn you anywhere from $1 to $3. So on this website, be sure to focus on the game Football Trekking, because it is the top earning game on the site, according to the experience of other users. As you can see, there are a lot of various games to choose from, so you may still play them anytime you want. If you're looking for a way to pay, there are a lot of possibilities on this website as well. The apps or sites that I would recommend to download and play games on would not be a problem for any way to put on. As a result, you'd make money, and you can start making money just by playing games by visiting those sites or downloading those apps right now. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below, and we'll see you again next time.